welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Mapagania with me Mpethu Puchabu Mnandi.
Ang right Brian wena.
Hayi siyazama Puchabu.
Why not ufuna ukukhala nje?
Yazi Puchabu mangiphume stadium I was very angry.
Yeah.
But Mapagania mangifika ngaphandle bashaya uzenzo, you know. And then I come down yabona. This league is still ours Puchabu.
No, of course it's ours. You know football ne sinama game esithi ama games of consequences. Now in those games you don't fumble. Mina I'm a fan ye consistency. Mina personally I'm a fan ye consistency. If you played a certain team last week this kind of players zanga kwenzela mistake, you stick to that pattern, you stick to those players, you get the results. Mina, according to me, this was a very, very critical game for us. And the changes that were brought by a coach, to me, they were questionable. You are bringing a player that is Ibuya Le Pezulu. This player was not even on a bench. He comes there. Makasuka lapha umlahlela ku first 11.
We are good DDC.
Exactly. But all that I'm saying, Uguti, if it's not broken, don't change it. And if we were to be honest, this is a problem that we have been complaining about ever since isizinikala. City coach, if into ayipuganga, don't fix it. Asiqhubeke ngaleyo nto and get the result. Today we're just supposed to cement the 3 points so that Masia Mbombela siyazi ukuthi sekuyiformality. But now we are under tremendous pressure. Yokuthi leya game yasembombela by hook or crook we need to win it. We drop points there, the league is gone. But I'm saying to the faithful Sophie Orlando Pirates, asambeni sembombela abafana, they did everything that they can here. But let me tell you history ye Durban City. Durban City Imarisburg. Durban City doesn't score goals. Durban City doesn't concede as well. So I knew very well when they come here, of course they will play a low block. It was up to our coaches and our players to how do we then break low block at Durban City. Also, they are number 7 on the log. There's no way that they will want to lose against the Orlando Pirates because they also want to cement their position in the top 8. So Begnena favor engasenzela yona Durban City except for them to fight for the result, which they did. But a point, and with that point, of course, iba nikeza lento yokuthi ku top 8 at least they will be there.
Yeah. So Pucha, we obviously playing against the Orbit, and you know Gucci Orbit is pretty much going to do the same thing. They're going to implement the low block. How do you break this Orbit team?
Yeah, well, Orbit nama akuna confidence. I think they've been losing most of their games. Even today, I've seen the score. They've lost 2-0 against East Stellenbosch. So the confidence is not there. But over and above that, I've also looked at their back four. Those players are very old in as much as one is concerned. So I think that's where Pirates will have to utilize or to capitalize so that at least they get that 3 points. But I'm definitely sure that we are going to get the result. It's also a blessing because if Besuinela, abanye abantu bebengeke basaya eMbombela. You know, so it's a blessing in disguise ukuthi the entire support and fan base of Orlando Pirates will travel with the team because Melasi treat it as a cup final. And then we'll definitely come back with that trophy. But manje, I'm not worried. The cup is still within the reach. The cup is
I've heard rumors Pucha ukuthi Orbit Pirates in a shares sama. You think they might be favors coming in 23?
You will be disappointed. You will be disappointed if you have that narrative because you know Uzoya La Paus Cheluguti no Orbit Pirates it's a Pirates light.
Yeah.
Only to find more figure la peana Orbit is TS Galaxy ikwenza umhlolo ikushaye njengabanye abantu abashawe during the week. So Tina, we just have to prepare from our side. Prepare like we are going to play for a final. See a player game, clinch and come back with a trophy.
There you have it, Mapagania. We're going to Mbombela definitely in 23 and we're going to take this league, Mapagania.